Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be reviewing these Playtex Sport Odor Shield tampons. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, this is what the box looks like. I got my box from Target, but I'm sure you can get them at your local Walmart or whatever drugstore that you get your feminine care products from, like Kroger, whatever. This video was requested by a few different girls who have asked me what they can use if they play sports. You know, what's a good alternative to pads if you're really active. I know some people you know, work a lot or just whatever the case may be. Pads can be really uncomfortable for a lot of girls and women, so some people do prefer tampons. A lot of younger girls might be scared to put in a tampon, so I will link down below videos that might help you overcome your fear. I was a little hesitant on uploading this video because I don't want to sit here and tell you, oh, try tampons or whatever, because you do want to be comfortable with using them. I don't want you to do anything that you're uncomfortable with. One thing I will say though is, as a girl and as a woman, you want to know your body. You want to be comfortable with your body. So you know what I mean? Don't be afraid to look at yourself, examine yourself, touch yourself, whatever you need to do to learn your body and figure out what works best for you as far as feminine products. Because guys, I hate to break it to you, but as a woman, you're going to be going through this for the rest of your life pretty much. So get used to it. I've been using tampons for a few years now, and I've used plenty different brands, different types, and these right here by far are my absolute favorite. Like, these are my go-to. I wear these whenever I want to wear a tampon. This particular pack comes with 16 regular and 16 super. I personally use the super when my periods are heavier, and I use the regular if it's like a little bit lighter. These tampons are designed to fit your body, and it's every move. A protective leakage barrier so you can play on. It has a flex fit, so these tampons are super duper comfortable. They kind of have like little pictures and stuff like that on the box. This particular tampon has 360-degree sport level protection. So yeah, guys, it is designed for girls who are active. So don't be afraid to try these. And even if you are not like active at all, you can still try these tampons too. You know what I mean? So it doesn't really matter what your body type is, they work for your body. And like I said, if you are the type of person who does a lot of moving around, you're active, you play sports, you work a job that you have to be pretty active, I've worn these tampons for, I want to say, about 6 hours before, and I mean, they are absolutely amazing. There was no odor, so what it says on the box is pretty true. They do sell smaller boxes, so get you like the smallest box that they have. It's a little bit cheaper than the bigger box, obviously, just so you can like experiment with them. You don't have to necessarily get a box and be like, I'm gonna wear these tampons and I'm gonna, you know what I mean? Get you like a little starter pack. If you're at home for a few hours or whatever, try to, you know, play around with it, figure out what's comfortable for you, and get to know your body. Figure it out and see how you like it. It might actually work for you. So one thing I have noticed about tampons, on every single tampon box, and most brands will have it on their box, toxic shock. Honestly, I have this idea in my mind. Now, you guys, this is not true whatsoever. This is just what I believe in my mind, what I made up. But for some reason, when I see the word toxic shock, I feel like it's like when you put a tampon in, you just like, you start spazzing or something. Like, I don't know. Like, a lot of girls that I know wear tampons and been wearing them for years. I personally have been wearing tampons for years, for hours at a time, and nothing has ever happened to me. But I'm not saying, you know what I mean? This is a total disclaimer. I'm not saying that toxic shock cannot happen to you. Found this video helpful. video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are not already. Feel free to comment down below, and I thank you guys so much for watching. See you in my next video.